Dactyloscopy. The Latin word of dactyl is finger, and scopline is to study or examine. It is a practical application of the science of fingerprint. Next, dactylography. It is the scientific study of fingerprint as means as identification. Next, dactylomancy. Uh, it is the scientific study of fingerprint. Scientific study of fingerprint for purposes of personality interpretations. Next, dermatoglyphics. It is the science which deals with the study of the skin pattern. Next, individuality. No two person have the same fingerprint based on statistic probability. Next, infallibility. Infallibility. That fingerprint is a positive and reliable means of identification. It cannot be easily forged. Next, constancy and permanency. The friction ridge, once fully developed, its arrangement will remain the same throughout man's life. Next, chiroscopy. It is the science which deals with the study of prints of a palm of the hands. Next, podoscopy. It is the science which deals with the study of footprints. Next, poroscopy. It is the scientific study of the arrangement of the sweat pores. Yes. Next, phalange. It is the skeletal finger covered by the friction skin. It is made up by 3 bones. Next, ridge dot. It is called island ridge. It refers to ridge formation. In a form of a dark or period. Next, bifurcation. Arrange formation, which a single ridge splits or divide into 2 or more ridge. Next, converging ridge. It's the two ridge that meets at a certain point. Next, diverging ridge. It is the two ridge that spread apart. Next, enclosure or lake ridge. A single ridge that divides into 2, but that does not remain open and meet at a certain point to form the original line. Next, ending ridge. It refers to an abrupt end of a ridge. Next, recurving ridge. Single ridge that curves back to the directions where it started. Next, sufficient recurve. Recurving ridge, which is complete with should and free from any appendage. Next is appendage. It is a short ridge found at the top of the summit of the recurve. Next, rod or bar. It is a short ridge found in the inside the recurve, and directed towards the core. Next, obstruction ridge. It is a short ridge. Found inside the recurve, which lacks the inner line of flow towards the core. Next, delta. Point along the ridge formation found at the center or near the center of the diverging type line. Next, the core. Um, Usually found at at the the center or innermost recurve. Next, ink slab. Ink slab. It is a metallic or glass plate which when the ink is for purposes. Next, ink roller. It is a rubber made of roller designed to spread the fingerprint ink to the slab.